Now in our previous example of the multiplication program, we had done the multiplication job multiple times. Now here we have removed those multiplication operation and simply we have called this multiply function with these two arguments, the myvar1 and myvar2. Now when we are calling this multiply function with these two arguments myvar1 and myvar2, the value which is residing within these two variables will be passed to this multiply function. Now here within the function body, now we have declared another variable, the variable 3, and we have done the multiplication operation between these two variables, the variable 1 and variable 2, and the resultant value we have stored within the variable 3. Now when we are calling this multiply function, the value 5 and 6 is actually being passed to this multiply function, and we are sending a copy of this value 5 and 6 respectively to the multiply function definition. Now within the function definition here, so the 5 is being copied with to the variable 1 and the value 6 is being copied to the variable 2. Now variable 1 is holding the value 5 and variable 2 is holding the value 6. Now after the operation, the result will be 30, which will be stored to the variable 3. Now when the variable 3 is holding the value and we are returning this variable 3 with the help of this return statement, the result will be stored to this myvar3 variable. As we are calling this multiply function within this main function, so this main function is the calling function and this multiply function is the called function. Now with the help of this printf statement, we are printing the value which is stored within this myvar3 variable. So the output will be the result of the multiplication is 30.